The GMC Yukon and its long wheelbase variant, the Yukon XL, don't offer as much driving enjoyment or brand cachet as the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. In addition, the Yukon's uninspiring interior materials raise serious questions as to its value compared with its nearly identical corporate siblings, the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. But the Yukon is not without charms. There's the Corvette-derived 420 horsepower 6.2-litre V8 that powers Yukon's outfitted in a top Denali trim. The engine is also available in certain Chevrolet Tahoes. A new 10-speed automatic pairs with that engine in a semi-successful attempt to improve its gluttonous fuel economy, but no Yukon will please environmentalists. Then there's its 4G, LTE and Wi-Fi hotspot capability, standard in every Yukon, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the subset of the population whose idea of a fun time includes hauling the entire family and all their stuff up a mountain while towing a travel trailer and 6 kayaks, there are few alternatives. High acres of interior space, capable hauler, upscale infotainment. Low's lackluster interior materials, inhospitable third row, sky-high pricing. Verdict: neither as comfortable nor as luxurious as its price would suggest. What's new for 2018? A new 10-speed automatic matches up with the 6.2-litre V8 that powers the Denali and Denali XL versions of the Yukon. The new transmission improved the Denali's EPA fuel economy ratings slightly, but doesn't do much to alter the day-to-day driving experience. The rest of the Yukon's updates are relatively minor. There's a new chrome grille design and a new wood interior trim for Denali models, a new paint color for non-Denali models called satin steel metallic, and a fill alert added to the tire pressure monitor system. There's also the new Ultimate package, available only on Denali models, which bundles the following: an extended Sirius XM trial, a motion and incline sensing alarm system for theft deterrence, a power sunroof, power retractable running boards, adaptive cruise control with forward collision warning, exterior paint accents, and 22-inch wheels. What was new for 2017? Tweaks to the 2017 Yukon and Yukon XL were few. There was increased feature availability in the mid-level SLT trim, which includes the addition of an HDMI connector, an extra USB port, digital headphones, and the ability to use a personal electronic device to project media to the available rear seat entertainment system. Active grille shutters were also added for improved aerodynamic efficiency, as well as 2 new extra-cost paint colors, dark sapphire blue metallic, and an exclusive Denali shade called mineral metallic. Trims and options we chose for 2017. The Yukon's long wheelbase XL model is our pick, as its cavernous interior largely remedies the standard short wheelbase version's struggle to accommodate 7 passengers plus all of their luggage. We divide the top Denali trim, and its expensive but not truly luxurious trimmings, and would choose the $61,420 SLT, which includes the following features: heated and cooled front seats, power folding second and third row seats, active safety technology, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, forward collision warning, and lane keeping assist. Frequent road trippers may be tempted by the $3,480 open road package, which adds navigation, a sunroof, and a rear seat entertainment system, or the $780 heavy-duty trailering package. The Yukon's selectable all-wheel drive system costs an additional $3,000, so even a moderately optioned Yukon XL represents a serious investment. The Yukon's pair of naturally aspirated V8 engines gets the job done the old-school way, with displacement. The larger, son-of Corvette 6.2-litre is an excellent mate for these heavy SUVs. An available 10-speed automatic transmission adds a dose of modernity. What's new for 2018? A new 10-speed automatic pairs with the 6.2-litre V8 in Denali models, marking the most significant update to the Yukon for 2018 and the only change to the powertrain. The new transmission mostly stays in the background, which is a good thing when you consider the uncertainty and waffling we've experienced in other comparable transmissions. Test results: acceleration, 2018 GMC Yukon, 2017 GMC Yukon XL. The Yukon's standard powertrain is a 355 horsepower 5.3-litre V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. In the larger, heavier Yukon XL, it accelerates smoothly but unhurriedly. Denali models employ a 420 horsepower 6.2-litre V8 that shares much of its innards with the Corvette's standard engine. Backed by an 8-speed automatic, it thunders at full throttle like a NASCAR engine and yanked the huge Yukon XL to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds in our testing. Either V8 is relaxed and quiet on the highway, and both can be mated with a selectable all-wheel drive system. Test results: acceleration, 2017 GMC Yukon XL. Tow ratings compared: the Yukon with the 5.3-litre V8 and rear-wheel drive can tow 6,500 pounds. With all-wheel drive, it can tow 6,300 pounds. Should you want to purchase one more ton to push those figures to 8,500 and 8,200 pounds, respectively, you can do so for $780 with the heavy-duty trailering package. Alternatively, step up to the Yukon XL with its 6.2-litre V8, and rear-drive versions can tow 8,100 pounds, while all-wheel drive models can tow 7,900 pounds. Adding the heavy-duty trailering package to the rear-drive Yukon XL with 6.2-litre V8 achieves max trailering of 8,300 pounds.